Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. We are making bread, guys. I don't have one single bread in the house, and right now bread is very expensive, so I decided to make my bread most often because it's expensive in the store. If you want to see how I did this particular recipe, stay tuned and enjoy this video. Thank you. I just came back from night shift and I want to make bread. We don't have one single bread in the house, so I'm the only one here. Everyone has gone out to school. I'll just mix my bread. I just want to show you guys. So my flour, and I have some milk, as you can see. Here I have some salt. So I've gone in with just a teaspoon of salt. I'm making a large quantity of bread here, but I just want a little bit of salt. So here's our salt. Here is our milk, and I have nutmeg here. So I'm just going to sieve this in. Make sure you sieve your flour, your nutmeg, your sugar, whatever. Okay, just sieve everything in, your flour, your sugar, your nutmeg. Mix everything in. All of your dried ingredients, just mix them in. It smells so divine. I'm using powdered milk for this recipe. You can go ahead and use carnation milk if that's what you have. Okay. Yeah, if you saw my last bread recipe, I used carnation milk, but yeah, I want to use my powdered milk. I like to use this powdered milk for my pastries. Yeah, I've mixed it nicely. So I'm using the liquid method. So here is my yeast. I've mixed it in with some sugar, and here it is. You can see the bubbles. That tells you that your yeast has proven very well. That will help your bread to rise nicely. And here is my butter. Here is my butter, guys. I allowed it to defrost. As a matter of fact, I warmed it up a little bit because I don't want to waste time. I just came back from work and I need to rest. So I'll start going in with all of these things. I'm going to go in with my butter. Mix everything in until it is well incorporated. We don't have bread, and yeah, bread is quite expensive now, so just trying to save cost as much as I can. My husband loves bread a lot because they take tea for breakfast, you know. You know, bread is one thing you always need in the house, if you understand what I mean. I don't know if you're like us, but there must always be bread in the house. Sometimes if there's no food, there's bread, because you can use bread for tea. You can even use it to eat stew if you have stew in the house. Yeah, you can just put butter on your bread and just munch that, and that will be fine for the day. So here I'm going to add all of this. I have my vanilla extract in there, just because I don't want to waste time. I'm going to mix this until it is well incorporated. I'll show you my measurement. I'll show you the measurement for this, guys. So guys, I added 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. I'm going to knead it all over again. This is the size of the spoon. I'll let you know everything I used for this very recipe. I'm going to start kneading it again until it is nicely soft and tender the way I want it. This is the second time. This is the second time I'm kneading it. Just want to show you. See how soft? See the consistency? I want it very, very soft. I want it so soft and very, very sweet. My husband loves condensed milk bread a lot. I've divided it, guys, into 6 places. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to rest for 10-15 minutes. I have other things to be doing. I'll go ahead to do it in the pan. Let it proof for 1 hour and then we'll set it. So fam, this is it. After like 15 minutes later, I'm going to set it into their trays and then I'll show you what I'm about to do. So these are my trays. I've gone ahead to brush them nicely. I put parchment paper here because I just want it to come out easily. I don't want it to stick to the pan. Our bread has proven nicely. I'm going to set it in. They're all proven nicely. Bread is ready, guys. See how lovely. See how beautiful. I'm going to get it out now. You guys, the bread eaters in my house have come out because they had the aroma of this lovely bread. My husband was sleeping, guys, but he just came out with the smell of this bread. The aroma of this bread woke my husband up, guys. Can you see? Like the bread smells so delicious. Smells, baby. Because I don't want noise on my video, no copyright. You guys, the bread is so delicious, so delicious, so delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Try this bread recipe and let me know in the comment section. Everybody in this house did not waste time to munch on the bread. I hope you have loved this video. The bread came out so delicious. It was just too good. Guys, this bread didn't last 2 days in this house. And I took one to Mama and she loved it. Came out so good. Cheese team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful. This is good. I feel like taking tea right away. This is good. It looks like, you know, that bread cake. This is good. Daddy, man. Daddy, let her go to bread out for now.